Concern about Canadian wildfires has city and state leaders keeping a close eye on our air quality. Governor Hochul warning earlier today that the next 24 to 48 hours, things could deteriorate.
The air quality is deteriorating very quickly in our state as a result of the Canadian wildfires, and we're expecting the numbers literally tomorrow across the state to be in the unhealthy range, and they'll reach hazardous levels.
There has been in the skies above much of North America in recent days something hanging thick in the air. A smoky haze from wildfires burning in Canada has been carried with the wind hundreds of miles south. It's engulfed some of the continent's most famous skylines.